Both Donald Trump and Joe Biden facing legal issues with real political ramifications. We have learned now that there is a July 26th court date for Hunter Biden. A judge will then decide whether to accept a plea deal between the president's son and the Justice Department on tax charges and a gun charge as well. A deal Republicans claim is too lenient and they say is proof of a two-tiered legal system. Meanwhile, the trial for Trump's case over alleged mishandling of classified documents now set for August 14th, although most legal experts are expecting it to be moved much later, which means it could fall in the middle of the Republican primary contest. Over to the panel and that new information on Hunter Biden. He goes before a judge, this plea deal in about a month's time. Scott?
Called a sentencing hearing.
Yes.
And the judge is more than likely, not going to bet you an ice cream cone, but most likely will accept that plea. It was negotiated between both sides, and when both sides agree, unless the federal judge has some other concern that the parties haven't thought about, they'll go with it. On the Trump trial, the 70-day Speedy Trial Act, that's why she set that early date of August 14th. But the security clearance for the defense lawyers, they don't even have that yet. They can't even start looking at documents. To be honest with you, one of the Trump's considerations is probably internally as to whether he wants to take a quick trial or does he want to just kind of delay it and get through the primary. I think that gets more dangerous for both sides because then we'll be in uncharted territory if he wins or if he's on trial after he wins, and all of those scenarios. It's just kind of crazy to think through. But hopefully this will be resolved one way or the other, guilty or innocent, sometime before the primary start or before the general election, hopefully.